Officer Michaels, please call desk. Officer Michaels, please call desk.
On your head, now!
Doc here. We no longer have control of negotiations. You are cleared to move and secure the premises.
Police, don't fucking move! Give up now! Drop the gun! Contact is down! Requesting temps.
This is Talk. Medical assistance is standing by.
We got a suspect here in need of medical attention.
Talk to lead. Stabilize them and we'll send EMTs.
I got it. Get down on your knees!
Making it safe. Evidence good to go.
Got a second floor walkway.
Eyes open.
Get down, now! Get down and keep your hands up! Hands up!
Notifying medical.
LSPD, don't move! Police, hands up! fucking hands up!
Police! Show me your hands!
LSPD, don't move!
Securing.
Down on your knees,
LSPD,
hands
don't
up!
move!
Get down, I want to see hands!
I got it.
Stay calm.
Talk. Good to go.
Lead, this is Talk. Send him.
Handcuffing.
Down on your knees!
Gonna pack it up.
Hey, I'm not feeling so good.
Talk. One civilian detained.
Element, this is Talk. Send him our way.
Get down, now!
Down on the ground, now!
What are you doing?
Hands up! Down on your knees!
Need to talk. Shit, we got a civilian down.
Police, hands up! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Get on! Do it now!
Entry team to talk. Suspect down.
Entry
Good to
team,
go.
this is
I'll
Talk.
get it. I'll zip it up.
Notifying Tim.
Entry team to talk. Bagging it up.
Entry team, this is Talk. Secure it and keep going.
Got him. Suspect cuffed and secured. Cuffs are safe. Secure.
Your lead is acting in good faith. Use of force against them is authorized.
On you.
LSPD, don't move!
Talk to lead. Our negotiator has just lost contact with the suspects. They are angry and volatile. You are go for entry.
Now! Hands in the air! Hands on your head! Move! Get down on your knees, hands up! Get down on your knees! Drop your weapon!
Entry team to talk. Got a
Hands
suspect
up.
down.
This is Talk.
I got it.
Notifying morgue.
Making it safe. Securing.
Police, get your hands up! Keep your hands up!
Back it up. Making it safe. Suspect cuffed and secure.
Get down! Drop the gun!
Lower the palms of your hands.
Lead to talk. Got a suspect down here.
Police,
Entry
down on the
team, this is
ground!
Talk. Proceed with mission.
Hands on your head, do it now!
Hands up!
Hands up now! Drop to your
Arms
knees!
outstretched.
Hands up!
Restraining.
I'll back it. You're in my way, sir.
Police, get down! Police, hands up! Hands up, now! Put your hands up! Down on your goddamn knees, now!
Please, just get
Hands
us out
up,
of here.
drop to your knees!
No way.
Raise your
no
hands
fucking
now.
way. I'm not armed.
Put your fucking
I'm
hands
not
up.
armed.
Police, get down!
Turn around and stay still.
Down on the ground!
You've got to
Move!
get me out of here.
Hands up, do it now!
We're gonna take care of you. I got cuffs.
Civilian restraint inside. Civilian secure.
Civilian
Entry
is
team,
secure.
this is Talk. Trailers en route.
Police! No way!
You're endangering this operation. Watch yourself. Talk to elements. EMTs and trailers are standing by. Talk here. Notifying Thames.
Put your hands up and get down slowly.
Get down! I want to see hands!
Fucking way.
Arms outstretched.
Hands up, above your head. Down on your knees.
Talk. Collecting.
This is Talk. Forensics is standing by.
Get on the ground, now! Hands up, do it now!
Don't shoot!
Get on the ground, now! Down on the ground, now!
Got it.
Get down,
You're
I
gonna
want to
make-
see hands!
I'm not part of this!
Go.
I'm a good person!
Civilian is secure. Talk.
Talk
Civilian,
reporting.
good to go.
We're ready.
Moving
Hands up, down on your knees!
What are those for?
Good to go.
Lead, this is Talk. Continue mission.
I'll take it. Copy.
How is this keeping us safe?
Hands up above your head! I'm not going
Drop
to
it! Need Tim's ASAP.
Let me see those hands!
Got him.
Suspect. Evidence.
Evidence secured.
Hands on your head! Light stick. Chem light. Deploying chem light.
Fucking aim. Down. Down.
Be careful, there's civilians in there.
Put your hands up! Get down and keep your hands up!
I'll get it.
Hands on your
Good to
head,
go.
now!
Good.
What the hell
Get
for?
down, now! Raise your hand!
Ellie,
LSPD,
don't move!
I got it. We're going to sort everything
Hands
out.
on your head,
I'm not
move!
part of this! I'm a good person!
Civilian
Lead
is
to talk.
cuffed and good to
Writing on the wall.
Talk to Element. Roger, trailer's inbound.
Творитесь. Ваша мать пришла, молока принесла, бежит молоко повыли, чупись, книжка пока пыйте, чупись, копыточка в сыру съем. Козлята творили пили, волк кинулся в избу и всех козлов.
Dropping a chem light.
Problema tras problema.
Drop your weapon!
down.
Talk to lead. Proceed with mission.
Get down on your knees!
I'll get it.
Securing. Got him. Hands up! Police, get your hands up! Keep your hands up! Gold. There, move.
Moving.
Get down! Police, down on the ground! Enter and clear.
Getting into position. Moving. Opening on the right.
Opening on the left.
Get down.
Is incapacitated. Cut. Securing.
Good to go.
Blue team. Element. Blue. Provide cover on me.
Still good here.
Hands on your head, do it now! Stay on me.
Under 6. Cuffing. Ready to
Element, this is Doc.
Dustin,
Notify
the
medical.
Gonna pack it up.
Secured. Dumpster
Hands up now!
good to go.
Drop to your knees! Put your hands up!
What do I do?
Волк кинулся в избу и всех козлят съел. Только один.
Element to talk. Officer down! Notify trailers!
Сколько не
Doc
звала,
reporting.
кричит.
You are clear to proceed.
Видит, дверь отворена. Бежала в избушку. Там нет никого. Заглянула в печь и нашла одного козленка.
Police, get down! Police, hands up! Hands up, now! Put your hands up! Down on your goddamn knees, now! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Put your fucking hands up! Police, get down! Down on the ground, move! Hands up, do it now! Whoa, hey, wait!
Don't kill me!
Entry team to talk. Contact is down.
Doc here.
Got them all
Coroner
safe.
standing by.
Safe. Element to talk. Threat is down.
Doc to entry team. Tag him and keep moving.
Get down, I want to see hands! Over here!
Get down. Cuff. You gonna move?
Lead, this is Talk. Today's performance was nothing short of terrible. It almost feels wrong to say mission complete, but here we are. Roll in.
Officer Cooper, please call desk.